Git cannot lock ref. What does cannot lock ref mean? This error happens when Git is unable to update a branch or reference because it cannot safely lock it. It means another Git process is running, or a previous Git command crashed, or a lock file already exists, or the reference is corrupted, or Git cannot write to the ref. So cannot lock ref equals Git wants to update a branch plus cannot secure it plus stops the operation. Why this error matters? It is important because your branch cannot be updated. Pull or fetch fails. Push may fail. History may become inconsistent. Work is blocked. Without fixing. Crossmark you cannot pull changes. Crossmark you cannot switch branches. Crossmark repo may stay broken. Crossmark teamwork stops. Crossmark confusion happens. With fixing. Checkmark Git can update refs. Checkmark branch works again. Checkmark repo becomes usable. Checkmark sync resumes. Checkmark workflow continues. Why you might see this error? This usually happens when a Git command was interrupted. 2 Git commands ran at once. System crashed during fetch. Lock file was not removed. Disk or permission issue occurred. Without fix. Crossmark Git commands keep failing. Crossmark branch is stuck. Crossmark repo feels corrupted. Crossmark you cannot sync. Crossmark progress stops. With fix. Checkmark lock is cleared. Checkmark ref updates succeed. Checkmark repo recovers. Checkmark branch becomes usable. Checkmark work continues. Typical situations where this happens. Common scenarios. During Git pull. During Git fetch. During branch switch. During merge. During rebase. Example. You run pull. System crashes. Lock file remains. Why? Git thinks another process is running. Ref is locked. Update is blocked. Basic troubleshooting steps. First checks. Check running Git processes. Retry command. Restart terminal. Check ref path. Inspect error message. Why? Avoid deleting valid locks. Ensure no active process. Prevent data loss. Identify locked ref. Fix 1. Remove stale lock file. Use when no Git process is running. Result. Lock file is removed. Why? Freeze the reference. Allows update. Fixes blocked operation. Warning danger. Crossmark removing active lock can corrupt repo. Good practice. Checkmark ensure Git is not running. Checkmark remove only the lock file. Checkmark retry command. Fix 2. Fetch and reset the ref. Use when reference is corrupted. Result. Ref is refreshed. Why? Fixes broken pointer. Aligns with remote. Restores branch. Bad practice. Crossmark ignore corruption. Crossmark force blindly. Good practice. Checkmark fetch cleanly. Checkmark verify branch. Checkmark backup commit hash. Fix 3. Delete and recreate the branch. Safe case. Use when local branch is broken. Result. Branch is recreated. Why? Clears corrupted ref. Restores clean branch. Keeps remote intact. Warning danger. Crossmark deletes local branch. Crossmark uncommitted work can be lost. Good practice. Checkmark backup branch. Checkmark recreate from remote. Checkmark test before working. Fix 4. Check file permissions and disk space. Use when Git cannot write refs. Result. Write access restored. Why? Git needs to lock and update refs. Permission errors block locking. Disk full prevents update. Bad practice. Crossmark ignore OS errors. Crossmark assume Git bug. Good practice. Checkmark fix permissions. Checkmark free disk space. Checkmark retry Git command. Daily workflow to avoid this error. Safe workflow. Run one Git command at a time. Avoid killing Git process. Close-eyed during operations. Wait for fetch to finish. Shut down safely. Why? No stale locks. Clean updates. Stable refs. Fewer failures. Common mistakes that cause this error. Force closing terminal. Running Git twice. Killing fetch process. Low disk space. Permission misconfig. Why? Lock files remain. Git gets confused. Ref update fails. Errors repeat. Branch and ref structure. Good structure. Refs, heads, main. Refs, heads, feature, login. Bad structure. Broken refs. Partial updates. Orphaned lock files. Why? Git needs clean refs. Locking must succeed. History must stay consistent. How this error affects teams. When handled wrong. Blocked polls. Broken branches. Lost time. Frustration. When handled right. Checkmark repo recovers. Checkmark branch works. Checkmark no data loss. Checkmark team confidence. Real life analogy. Cannot lock ref is like trying to write in a notebook while someone else is holding it. Notebook equals branch. Lock equals exclusive access. Git says, I can't write until it's free. In simple words, cannot lock ref means Git cannot safely update a branch. Something is blocking it. Fix equals ensure no Git is running. Remove stale lock. Refresh branch. Continue work. Best practices. Use. Checkmark let Git finish. Checkmark run one command at a time. Checkmark check permissions. Checkmark keep disk space free. Checkmark backup before deleting refs. Avoid. Crossmark killing Git process. Crossmark deleting random files. Crossmark forcing commands blindly. Crossmark ignoring OS errors. This error helps you protect branch updates. Avoid corruption. Prevent race conditions. Keep history safe. A good Git workflow. Checkmark updates refs safely. Checkmark avoids interruptions. Checkmark protects history. Checkmark supports teamwork. Checkmark builds confidence.